What's up guys, John from Linksville here with another install video, and this is like an install slash new product video, and that is because we got our first batch of our new amplifiers. This one is the 500.5, it's a 5-channel amp. You see how small this footprint is. Now, we're not really chasing after massive power, guys, so this is really for the dude that wants some clean sound without having to go crazy with speakers. Maybe you just want to add a couple subwoofers or a single sub and keep your factory speakers. That's what these amps are truly designed for. We're going to be installing it into an F-150 that already has one of our Generation 5 T-Styles in it, so we're going to be using the Toslink in. But the thing that makes our amplifiers cool as well is we've got these T-harnesses here, so you can see that. What these T-harnesses do is you can take your factory forward, as long as it's not Sony, so factory forward without any kind of factory amplifier. You can plug into the radio here, plug into the factory harness there, and then this will run to our amplifier, and this is where you're going to get your high level ins and your speaker outputs back to your speaker. So really it's as easy as getting behind the radio, T-harnessing in behind the radio, running this, mounting the amp, going out underneath the hood, hooking up a battery lead, run that in, and then you're going to be rocking and rolling. And the other thing that our amplifiers have is they've got a built-in DSP. So you download our app, you can get it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Look up for our 4-channel and 5-channel. The app is Linkswell DSP. For our big 10-channel amp, which I'll do a video on later, that one is going to be Linkswell DSP 10. Pretty simple, self-explanatory, but within that app you're going to be able to change routing, you're going to be able to do EQ. So we actually have up to like a 38 band EQ per channel, or you can link channels. We have signal summing, all of that stuff, super easy. So 4-channel and 5-channel will have a Toslink in and high level in, no RCA in, but it will have RCA out. So you can use us just as a DSP. So let's say you have some really high-end amplifiers and speakers running through your factory radio, and you want to be able to up that, get a little bit better with a DSP in the middle. We'd be able to do that. You could use either one. Our 4 or 5 channel will have 6 RCA outs that you'll be able to manipulate and control within the DSP. But truly guys, install super simple. So I'm going to walk you through a basic install. Now again, because cars are different, yours is different, mine is different. You may need to locate certain things different places. You may need to run wires differently. But overall, the install of one of our 4 or 5-channel amps is going to be really simple, as long as it happens to be one of the ones that we have the T-harness for. And we're just going to plug this bad boy in, T-harness, send it down, plug in our amp, and it's going to rock and roll. So first thing we want to do is get our radio out. So let's quick do that, and then we'll look at the harnesses. I'll plug it in, run it, and we'll turn it on. All right, so we got our radio out, and you can see our male and female here. We're gonna take the side that goes to our amplifier. We're just gonna push it out the back of the amp. I'm actually gonna mount our amp underneath the passenger seat on this F-150. So I'm just gonna run it down along the center console and then come under the carpet to where the air vent and already factory seat loom is coming out of the carpet. I'm gonna pop it up right there, and yeah, let's do it. There you go, T-harnessed in, and so we can snap the radio back in and mount the amp. So you can see our T-harness in and out, and our Toslink. So this is actually going to plug into our purple plug on our T-style. Again, if you're doing this without a T-style and you're just using the high level, just leave the Toslink unconnected or disconnected, and you'll be fine. So yeah, so we'll finish running that wire, reinstall our radio, and then I will show you where I mounted it, where I ran the power wire, and then you guys can do yours. Cool. All right guys, got my camera in my hand. You can see simple, normal amp install with the power connected right there, running into the firewall. And then if we come around the door, You can see right here in the kick rail where the power is running. In there, you can see the green and black is actually our harness from behind the radio. Going underneath the seat to the amp right there. Right there underneath the seat, nice and easy. And that's all there is to it, guys. Once we've done, you got it installed, it's as simple as just powering it on, downloading the app, hooking up the app, and setting your settings. That's our new amps, guys. Cool, later.